So this is our activity number 3. As I told you, you have to make a practical file, or you can do it on A4 size papers and file it properly. So you have to scan and send on Google Classroom. So now today, this is the activity number 3. Here there are some terms that we already studied. Angle at the center of a circle by an arc. So before that, we have some theory to verify that the angle subtended by an arc at the center is twice the angle subtended by the same arc at any other point on the remaining part of the circle. This already we have studied this theorem. This is the arc. You can see this is the arc making an angle POQ. Then remaining part is the above part. This part is the remaining part. Anywhere if it will make an angle like this, if we will draw the angle like this, that will be the half of this, or this will be the double of that one. That theorem we have done already. I'll show you that results also. Let me explain it. Circles. A circle is a set of points which are all a certain distance from a fixed point known as the center. So everyone has to write now everything, because now we have done our syllabus. So activity should be written in a proper way, and it should be written in an explained way. Okay. So yes, like this you will. I'll tell you what to do. Let me explain it. Then what you have to write. Uh, so here are some terms which are used and which are related to the circle. A circle is a set of points which are at a certain distance from a fixed point known as center. This is the fixed point A. Okay. The set of points at a certain distance. This fixed point from the fixed point. This is the fixed point. From this fixed point, if we make these all the points which are at a certain distance, at a fixed distance, it will make a circle. So this fixed point is called center, and this is the circle. Okay. So line joining the center of circle to any point on the circle is known as that. You know that this line joining from a point to this point, this is called radius of the circle. Circumference is the length of the circumference of circle is the length of the circle. This whole length is called the circumference of a circle. 2 pi r, that formula is 2 pi r. And these two radii, joining two radii and an arc, making the sector. Okay. And chord divides into segment. So this is small, so that's why this shaded one is the minor sector, and the above one is the major sector. So we have used these terminology. Arc is a curved this P to Q. Arc is on the circumference of a circle, is a part of the circumference. Chord is a straight line joining the ends of an arc. Means from, if we draw a line from here to here like this, if we draw a line, then that is called the chord. Radius, we have seen segment when we draw the chord, this will divide into two parts that are called sectors. An angle subtended by an arc, line, or other curve is one whose two rays passing through the end of the arc. Yes, this is the angle This arc is making an angle at B and C. Angle subtended by CD from the point B from the point A. Yes, angle subtended by the arc. I told you the angle subtended by the arc is not correct. This one is better. So this should be actually like this. Okay. Then now again we see one by one procedure. We have seen this circles, this one, okay. And second thing is, sorry, theory we have seen. Now procedure is performed in real lab, and as performed next will be, I'll see, okay, as performed in the simulator. So paper, this you will write, huh? You have to write before that theory, then this is the procedure. Here, before that, you will write materials required. Everyone write on the Google OLabs, you will find this activity, but you have to write on the paper or your practical notebook if you have materials required, colored papers, pair of scissors, gum, compass, pencil, ruler, carbon paper, or tracing paper. Instead of this, you can write only A4 size paper. Whatever you are using, it varies. What will the procedure? Draw a radius, draw a circle of any radius and cut it using scissors. First, we will draw and cut it. Let's draw this one and cut. Then, after that, take a rectangular sheet of paper and paste it on it. Paste. Paste it. Rectangular sheet. Rather than rectangular, just write it is a square sheet, not the rectangular. Take 2 points on the circle, draw AO and BO. O is the center. Take the 2 points. This is A point. You can see in every figure, you can see what you have to do. First pasting, then take 2 points, A and B. A and B. Then take 2 points and draw AO, OB. Join AO, AO and OB. Okay. This OA, OB. Okay. 2 points. Take another point P on the remaining part of the circle. Draw AP and BP using ruler and pencil. Take another point here, and with the ruler you can join AP and BP. Now take another point on this one. Okay. Make 2 replicas of angle. Paste these replicas adjacent to other angle on AOB. Correct. Now what we will do, this is the one with different colors. You can paste on it, but before that you have to make one replica of it. Replica means the same figure, similar to this. Cut one more part similar to this. Okay, and then I think you have to cut 3 parts, not the 2 parts. One part, but this figure will not be clear. Okay, so cut 2 parts. This figure, you have to draw this figure and then cut 2 different color parts. Okay, and one part you can first, what I'm telling you, 3 figures you have to make. 3 figures, 3 cutting pasting part. First 6H, here you will cut the circle, paste it on the square, and then make the 2 points A, B and P, and then draw like this. Then again like this you have to make 3 figures. On another figure with different color, you have to make this cut out and with the different colors and paste it. Okay, paste it here. Then 3 more replicas of this color. So then that two replicas, if you will make same angle here, so that will show that this is the double of this. This practical will prove that this is the double of that angle. Okay. Now in simulation part, no need of simulation here. You can do this one. Simulation we will do on, we will do the procedure of that. Observation, the student will observe there are two replicas completely covered. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 2 times angle AP. This is your practical actually. Okay. Now we will see animation. To verify the angle between by an arc of the circle, twice the angle subtended on the remaining part. Prerequisite, a chord is a line segment whose ends on the circular chord of a circle divides into two regions. Segment, an angle subtended by the arc is one whose rays passing through the endpoints of the arc. Yes, endpoints of the arc is the angle, and an arc is a part of the. Okay, then we will start. Make a point on the workbench area that is from the radius. Here, take any point. It will make a radius. Take radius between 2 and 5, and one circle will be formed with a radius of 4.58 centimeters. Okay, make the 2 points anywhere you can click A and B. This will make an angle APB. APB, when you will take any point here, it will make APB angle. Okay, now click on both the colors to rotate replica. Okay, like this, and both replicas adjust here so that it will show that this angle is double of this one. Okay, got it? So this will show that this angle is, we cut this replica of this angle and put here, that means it is double of this one. So hence angle AOB is 2 times the angle of APB. It is proved. Okay, so this we can do it on simulator. We can do it now. Yes. Start button, click the start button. So I think better to write like this: objectives, prerequisite, materials required, they are missing, you should write. Okay. So left side always you will find the instructions how what to do. Make a point on the workbench area such that it forms radius for the circle with the point O as the origin, and length of the radius must be in between 2 and 5. Between 2 and 5, anywhere you can click, you will get a circle of this radius. Okay. Mark any 2 points on the side that the considerable distance is maintained between 2 points. Mark 2 points here, 1 point, anywhere you can take B point. Okay. Now take any point in this remaining part. Just see that we can have here also. I'll do a different with here also we can have. If you will draw here also, click on angle to create replica. We have to make, yes. We got the replica of this one. Okay. So P angle. this angle P. Now click on both colored angles to rotate. We have to adjust this angle here. Rotate. How to rotate it? This is not rotating. So we have to rotate and adjust here. You can go back on the demo. This is the same thing. Just we have to check how they have rotated that angle. It was not rotating. Okay, point P taken. Anywhere you can take on the upper part. Now this one, okay, click on both the color angles to rotate. Okay, click and then rotate. Take 2 points anywhere. Click third point P. Click on angle APB. Yes, double click. Now rotate it. and bring it here. It will, I think, automatically fit when you leave it, yes. And this fix it here, okay. So you can see it is covering full part, yes. So conclusion, we got this angle. This angle is equal to this angle, okay. This angle, you can see this angle this, we have cut the replica of this and we put this angle, two replicas here. So that shows that if this is angle 1, so here also you are putting angle 1. So 2 times angle 1. So angle APB is equal to, let's suppose, angle 1, then angle AOB is equal to angle 1 plus angle 1, 2 times angle 1. And angle 1 is equal to APB. Therefore, we will get angle AOB is equal to 2 times angle APB. Tomorrow, everyone has to send, and otherwise in the class, you have to show that you have done the work. So got it. Restart again. You can do it once. Again, start. Make the circle. Take 2 points. Take away 2 points. It should not be close. Take the third point. As I told you, we can take anywhere. Okay. Then replica of this. Replica, make it replica. Okay. Then bring this here. Put it here. This one, bring here. Not correct. It will show not correct. If the point will not coincide exactly, it will show not correct. If it is correct, then you will get this point. The activity completed here. Some questions are there for self-evaluation. So all of you can unmute yourself. Okay. One minute. Okay. You can tell the answers that all are based on this only. Based on this. So angle this, easily you can do it. It will be asked in examination also in objectives. 50 degrees, this is 50 degrees. What will be this? Do it. Tell me fast, anyone. I think you can unmute yourself. Yes, yes.